Hey guys, today I just got a Noctua NH-D15 CPU cooler for my PC. Let's get into unboxing it. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh man, a little rough. Okay. Got some offers. You don't need those. This is what we're looking for. Based on the award-winning NH-D14. This is some accessories, I guess. Mounting hardware. We got some thermal paste in here. Little brackets for the fan. Some wires. Nice little screwdriver. This is probably good for working on PCs. Alright, let's keep going. Get to what we really want to see here. Wow, man. Check this thing out. Look at that big heat sink on there. Keep this on here for now. Let's see about getting this cardboard out of here. Wow, man. Check this out compared to the other cooler that we have right now. Wait till you see me take that thing out. The size difference is unreal. One more down here. Oh, a little fan. This is for applications when you can fit or want a second fan. You can mount it on the side. We're gonna see if we can fit both fans in there with our RAM. I don't know if it'll fit, but we're gonna try. So now I'm gonna power down the PC. I'm gonna unplug everything. Basically just get it ready to be taken apart. We got a lot of dust in here, man. It's been a while since I built this thing. Oh, freezing shit. I'm gonna have to take this thing more apart. Alright guys, you're going to want to unplug your CPU fan wire. It's kind of hard to get in there. I might need some needle nose. Oh, I might get it. Come on baby. Alright, now we got this little flip guy here. This is to hold it down in place. God damn, that thing was tight. Also, we got a USB. I believe that's to power the thing. No. Yeah. Oh, I pulled the little fucking pins out. Check the difference out on this thing, man. Jesus. we're gonna try and get this baby. Jeez. We're gonna be cool now. So we're gonna unplug these two right here. We gotta push down this guy. Unscrew these two right here. And being that I have this in the way, I have to unscrew this so that I could pull my card out the top. So we're unscrewed. We got our wires undone. We're gonna push this guy down. There we go. Now I'm pretty sure she's free. Pull her out and we'll see you in a sec. Alright, we got her out. Now we're going to want to unplug all of our wires. I'm going to just try and put everything to the side, unscrew the motherboard, and hopefully just pull it right out. Everything's unplugged. Now we got these 9 screws on the motherboard. You'll move that wire right there in front of me. Alright, now I just gotta get this last guy right here. Alrighty. We're gonna take our Phillips head, take these 4 out, pull them out, and put our new pieces on. Okay, so it shows here for the AM4, that's what we have. Gray, I don't know if you guys can really see it. But we got our gray ones, our 4 screws, and our 2 mounting tabs. Make sure that CPU is nice and clean, family. Where's the arrow at? Here's the arrow on the motherboard. Here's your little arrow. Should always drop it right in. Never use any force. Lock that baby in. Let's get a little squirt on here. Alright. This one already going. Alright. This thing is huge. I had to take these two top case fans out so that I could check everything out, make sure it's all gonna line up. And actually the main reason was, you see these holes down there, one right here, one over here, and one way down there. How the hell are you gonna tighten them with the fans right here? So we're gonna tighten them down, make sure that these wires aren't in the way of the fans. We actually got these pretty secure right now. I put little wire ties on there. So put them screws in, then we'll slide the two fans back in, hopefully get the graphics card put back in, hook all the wires in, and we'll be good. So we got all of our wires hooked up now besides the graphics card 8-pin. So I'm going to try and fit these fans back up here, then we'll put the graphics card in, and then that'll be it. Now you want to install your graphics card. It's a tight spot right in this slot right here. Once you hear it click is once it's in. That's it. Now we gotta screw these two screws in over here. Gotta get these guys in here. Now we're gonna hook this mess back up and turn it around. We got the fan sitting right on top of the RAM, and it's a tight fit. Case just makes it on there.